how to find notifications settings on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click these three lines here, and after that click settings and then click notifications. And as you see here, you can manage Amazon shopping notifications. You can manage your account and your shipments and recommendations and anything you want. And that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.